Leib Pravabati College da Directorate of University Higher Education na approved post PIBADA NINGTHINA YENGSINBIDABAGI MAMI CHAONA TARE HAINA social activist ASEM ROSHAN na MARAL SIRAKLI press thadorakpa video footage amada mahang hai kumja lising aniga tarataruk December tang taramapanda college asi added status piramba matam adugi lengak na post Directorate ki ming thoknaba list thabaga employees singe appointment ki date of joining da aran ohi kaya Chatharambagi Kudam Changdam Kaya Fangli Chahi Asigi June Kunmapanda Directorate of University Higher Education na Pirakpa RTI Amagi Paukumdagi Aran Ahui Singasi Batangda Kangbangamakibani Kumjali Singani Kungamari March Tarahumdoida University Higher Education approved post sign gi Piram Liba employee lista date of initial amadi date of joining Sandok Sanjin Tauramle Masigi Matakta Director of Higher Education na su approved tauba matamda UG ki kangun amadi Manipur Government College Lecture Recruitment Rule 1999 1997 amadi 1998 na chingbagi kanglon singak na chalamdaba thengnari college asida quality oidaba ojakaya hapchilambasu thengnari aided college singna Manipur Education Code 1982 khudong chaba lauraga quality oidaba candidate kaya ama thabak hapchinduna matam gi lengak na lowshili jab manaba education system amada aided college ki oza lobada amasung college ki assistant professor lobada manadaba kanglon chatnariba asi lengak na yengsinfam thoi hiramasi ki matangda mari leinaba singna miyeng changbiduna loinana aran ahui sing asi semdoktrabadi logi mateng lauduna sem saduna leire haina mahakna makhata na phongdorakhi
mena sida piriba government gi 22nd November 2016 da sab manana added college kharagi koi additional post pibana singba singi koi order da hariba masai Pravabati college ta piramiba relaxation sing ase sab manaba mong da su hariba college sida pi tobu Honorable Manipur High Court na hariba government gi order ase masi set aside tawre haidana hariba tarik sida lauthokre government gi madudi magi matho oijabanina mado kaishu thoidokpa kothinjangiba kaishu leite hariba regulation 2010 the state will be competent to relax any such age limit and to that extent the Imphal order dated 22/11/2016 is upheld haidana aduga unqualified oiba Manipur government college lectures recruitment rules ta yadaba mayamama adagi UGC gi RR 2010 da qualified oidaba mayamama initial appointment da hariba RR singase fulfill oidaba mayamama koi yaukshallibase